All right, February 13th, 2020, 7:21. His earthquake took place. Sorry, I did shut the cell phone off at 5:33 this morning. And I know there are more earthquakes that are really large, but I'm getting this one up, and then I'll go get the research on that. I just got out of bed. All right, USGS sent out a tweet saying there was a 6.9 Kuril Island. They've got it 57 miles east-northeast of Kurilsk, Russia. All right. It did come across on the tsunami warning. There was no warning. I've got both the tsunami warning for you and disaster alert regular warning for you for this, saying there was no tsunami. All right, EMSC sent out a tweet saying there was a 6.9. As you can see by the little symbol up there on the top, over here where my thumb is, there is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. All right, that also came across on the U.S. tsunami warning system, and that also came across on disaster alert. There was no tsunami warning. All right, now GFC has it at a 6.9. Also, I'm going to pull that up. Matter of fact, they were the first one to put this earthquake up as a 6.9. Let me enlarge this. This was manually received. All right, manually received. GFC is the Germany Earthquake Center. They've got it at 91 miles in depth. All right. Now, I'm going to disaster alert, pull that up. Holy cow. We've got several other earthquake centers. Several other large earthquakes. Last night, come on. An earthquake of a magnitude. This occurred 2 hours ago. Sorry, I had my phone shut off. An earthquake with a magnitude of 6.9 at the depth of 88.5 has occurred 92 kilometers northeast of Kurilsk, Russia, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. All right, this is a preliminary. You know that they could change this at any time. Now, this earthquake was reported, all right, as a 7.0 to begin with, all right, a preliminary 7.0, which Australia has. Disaster alert. Paste. Like I told you before, there is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. Matter of fact, let me read this for you. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. An earthquake of a preliminary magnitude of 7.0, which is on the disaster alert and U.S. tsunami warning. All right, it says a preliminary magnitude 7.0 at a depth of 163 kilometers, which I told you is 88, near the Kuril Islands, Russia, reported by the NTWC, that is the National Tsunami Earthquake Channel. A tsunami information statement has been issued for Alaska, British Columbia, USGS, and the longitude, they give the longitude, latitude. This is a tsunami information statement. Alaska, British Columbia, Washington, Oregon, California. Preliminary details said there was a 7.0 quake. The information indicated that the earthquake has occurred, but does not pose a tsunami threat or a tsunami warning advisory, or which has been issued for other sections of the ocean. No tsunami is expected. Repeat, no tsunami is expected. Now, I'm going to go to the U.S. tsunami page. because that made me suspicious. Let's go see if they reported it for any other. Let's go look at Guam. No tsunami threat for Guam. Samoa Information Center. Based on the available data, there is no tsunami threat for Samoa area. Hawaii. Let's see what it says there. No tsunami threat for Hawaii. Okay, that is on the U.S. government tsunami warning page. You got 3 things in there. They're saying it was a 7.0 magnitude. All right. Now, this is on there. I gave the link for you for this page. All right. Now, it's been over 2 hours. I'm sorry. I know there are other major earthquakes, but this was the most important one right now because of the tsunami threats. And there were no tsunami threats. I know there was a 5.2 New Ireland region, Papua New Guinea. All right, and I will get that one up. Let's go ahead and get it. No, we're going to let it go at this one. I'll get that one up in a minute. I just want you to hear the 6.0 and no tsunamis. I'm sorry, guys. 2 thumbs up. God bless each and every one. Once again, USGS said there was a 6.9. They first posted a 7.0. All right, then upgraded it to a 6.9. They've got it downgraded it to a 6.9. They've got it at a 6.9. They have got it at 88 miles in depth. That is the USGS. Kuril Island. They've got it 57 miles east-northeast of Kurilsk, Kurilsk, Russia. All right, now they've got it up to, I just opened that page up again, 89 miles in depth. Serious. Dead serious. All right. EMSC. Let's pull them up again. It says 150. Let's go check them again. Because these are going to change. 150. They've got it at 93.2 miles in depth. Let me change that because I had it at 91. Yeah, 93.2. All right. As you can see up in the corner, there is no tsunami. The tsunami symbol is crossed through. It is not in blue. There is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. All right, so EMSC's got it at a 6.9. They sent out a tweet saying it was a 6.9. GFC has it at a 6.9. That is the Germany Earthquake Center. They have got it at 91 miles in depth. That was manually received. Pulling that up. Now, I know there was one more earthquake that occurred, and I will get to that. I just woke up and saw the 6.9 and the 7.0 when, okay, we're getting that up now when looking for tsunami warnings. All right, the GFC has got it at a 6.9. As you can see, it was received manually. They have it at 91 miles in depth. Now, once again, there is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. It's not on the tsunami warning page. It is not on the disaster alert page. It's not on any of the earthquake center pages. All right. The only other earthquake center that had this was Australia. They've got it at a 7.0, and they've got it at 88 miles in depth. That link will also be in here. I'm checking to see if anybody else popped in with this. I've got GFC, EMSC, Australia. I don't know if they're going to let me take a look at that or not, but we're going to go down and see. What do you know? They're going to let me see that. Last night they would not. on another earthquake. This is the China Earthquake Center. I gotta make sure I put it in English, okay? I just put it in English. See if I can enlarge this. I can't enlarge that. Can I enlarge this? I can't enlarge that. I can copy this. Copy. All right. This is the China Earthquake Center. They have got it at a 7.0. I'm going to put that right under Australia. Australia's got it at a 7.0. It first came across as a 7.0. China Earthquake Center. Now, the China Earthquake Center is a CEIC. Okay. Let me copy this. Come on. You gonna let me copy you or not? There you go. Copy. Put it in here. Paste. Okay, you'll have the link for the China Earthquake Center. And you'll have what they say it is. They have it at a 7.0. All right? The same as Australia. All right, guys, hang on. Let me see who just... Rosemary, morning. Did you speak of a 6 point? Yeah, we're doing that now. This is the only one. I will do the other 5-pointer here later, and as soon as I get the information. They had it, U.S. Tsunami Warning System had it at a 7.0. Australia's got it at a 7.0. China's got it at a 7.0. GFC, USGS, and EMSC have got it at a 6.9. But like I said, the U.S. Tsunami Warning System's got it at a 7.0. All right? Prelim. I have got all links here in the description box now. You're going to have GFC. You're going to have Australia. You're going to have China. You're going to have EMSC. You're going to have USGS, both the tweet and the web page. You're going to have the U.S. Tsunami Warning web page here. You're going to have disaster alert talking about the tsunami, saying there is no tsunami warning. You're also going to have disaster alert telling about the earthquake. All right. I don't have any more room to put more on here, or I'd put the other earthquake that happened in the Papua New Guinea region. So what I'm going to do now is copy these links. The closest volcano was 15 miles away. It was color-coded green, color-coded normal, color-coded dormant. All right. Estimated release of power was 21.1 atomic bomb equivalent. That's in here. All right. And I'm going now to YouTube. We're going to put this into the links. I know there is another earthquake of a 5 point something. I'm sorry. I just got out of bed. I was up in the middle of the night doing earthquake reports. So I shut my phone off on the last one I did in the middle of the night. All right. Here we go. We're on my YouTube page. I'm going to edit. And we're going to post this. All right. Disaster alert. Both disaster alert tsunami. And USGS tsunami warning page, USGS webpage, USGS tweet, EMSC, guys. It is now going in. All right. Good morning, Pete. All right. I'm going to close all down. Oh, come on. Out of YouTube. All right. Like I said, Australia's got it at a 7.0. China's got it at a 7.0. GFC, EMSC, and USGS has got it at a 6.9. All right. I'm closing down. I want to reopen. All right, we're going to reopen because I already changed the depth. The 6.9 occurred at 5:33. All right. Sweetie, I just woke up. I just found this. I saw all the alarms and whistles on my phone. My phone was blinking at me. All right, so it was an hour and a half ago, okay? It happened at 2 hours ago, 5:33 a.m. All right. I'm sorry I didn't get to it as soon as it happened, but it did happen at 5:33. Now, USGS may have had a problem getting it up that fast, but yeah. All right, now we'll go ahead and get to the 5.2 region, Papua New Guinea. I already got the Vanuatu, I already got the Chile, and I already got the Peru one. I got up in the middle of the night. Yes. Yes. It was more than a week ago, I think, though. All right. All right, guys. I am so sorry I didn't get this. I'm sorry I turned off the phone, but I did 3 major earthquakes in the middle of the night, and I wanted to sleep. I had to sleep. You guys are awesome. There was. For those of you who just came in, we've got 10 people in here. I know there was a 5.0 that happened in Papua New Guinea. I do know that. All right, I will get on that one here in a minute. It was 5.2. But there was a 6.9 according to the USGS. First reported as a 7.0. All right. It was reported by the USGS, EMSC, and EMSC as a 6.9. It first came across as a 7.0. Australia's got it at a 7.0. China's got it at a 7.0. All right. There is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. Oh, sweetie Rosie, I know, Rosemary, I know, honey, I know. I'm not taking it that way. All right. Okay. No, never, ever, ever take it that way. I enjoy listening to you guys. Okay. I learn from you. All right. Sometimes you catch things I don't catch, and I need that information. So I'm taking it that way. All right. Thank you so much for coming at that one. Anyway, USGS has got it at a 6.9. It first came across as a 7.0, but U.S. tsunami warning system, and that's what they have it at. A U.S. tsunami warning system has it as a 7.0 preliminary. No tsunami threat for this earthquake for any of the locations. Okay. China has it as 7.0, and so does Australia have it as 7.0. I could not enlarge China for you. I'm sorry. I wish I could have, but I couldn't. GFC has it at a 6.9, and EMSC has it at a 6.9. Now let me show you this. You can see up in the left-hand corner or right, whichever it is for you, there is no tsunami warning. This line or through the triangle. The triangle is tsunami warning. If there was, that would be blue. Okay. Good morning, Jeffrey. Yes, yes, definitely. And some other ones last night. You can go back and check. I did, I think, 3 live feeds last night. Anyway, this is what we got, a 6.9 now. No tsunami warning. You'll have all those information in the description box. So please go take a look. Give me a couple minutes to go get the other large earthquake that happened. It was a 5.2. It wasn't a 6.9 or anything. I needed to get this up. Yes, I have not had coughing. JJ, where at? Russia. Kuril Islands. They've got it Kuril Islands. They've got it 57 miles east, northeast of Kurilsk, Russia. Yes. Okay. Awesome. Sweetie, you have yourself a good one. All links now are in my description box. Every one of them. All right. Let me go ahead and get the other earthquake, get the information for you. No, go to bed. I had an hour and a half sleep. I'm okay. 2 thumbs up. Okay, 2 hours sleep. Sorry. 2 thumbs up for you. Sending you guys much love. Please be safe out there. Let me go ahead and get the other 5.2. All right, up for you, and I will be back. God bless everybody. Thank you, Rosemary, Pete, Jeffrey, JJ, TOKLOLA. Yes, thank you for coming in, sweetie. Awesome, 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 awesome. Sending much love to all you guys. Forest cleaning. Thank you so much, sweetie. You're awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Planet X Watcher, thank you for coming in, sweetie. Guys, sending you a big hug. Coming your way through the line. Have a great one. I'm going to end this and go ahead and get the other one. All right? All links, tsunami warning links, earthquake links are all in there. All right? God bless.